Now, this is how you can stop the auto update of apps in your Android phone, and let's get into it. So you don't go into the settings of your phone, but instead open up the Google Play Store and just look up, the main page where you can see everything. And in the top right corner, you can find your profile picture. So just tap on it. And from all of the things which appear, just tap on the settings at the bottom, right? And once you get inside of these settings, you have plenty of different things, of course, but I want you to click on and expand the network preferences, right? So you can even see the little description saying that there is the auto update. So tap on this, and the option you can tap on is auto update apps. And you essentially have four options. You have to, or you can choose to update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data, or update with limited amount of mobile data, Wi-Fi only, or don't update apps automatically at all. So depending on which option you want to go with, perhaps you want to turn it off to preserve your mobile data. It is possible. So in this case, you can choose one of the options for like Wi-Fi only, or if you want to keep all of the original versions which you have downloaded, just choose the don't auto update apps and you're going to be good to go. This, however, only applies to the Google Play Store, obviously. But if you use or download apps from the Galaxy Store, for example, on a Samsung device, well, you can also just tweak the settings for that app specifically, right? But this will, for example, be done in the actual settings app of the phone, and you can find the auto update for the Galaxy Store. And of course, this will be the change made for apps downloaded through the, as I say, the Galaxy App Store. And that's basically like a different world where notifications the auto updates have to be set up separately. But yeah, I just wanted to mention it for people that use it. So that's it from me. I honestly hope that I can help you with these issues. Hopefully you did fix it. Let me know below in the comments what's going on with your phone. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.